Hey guys, my name is Ronnie Golkar, and today I'll be talking about how to sign up for Surfer SEO affiliate program. When I looked into this, I was skeptical, but as I signed up and realized that how great they are, I decided to join their affiliate programs and promote their products. Surfer SEO is a search engine optimization, as you guys already know. And I've had a lot of requests from people about how do you sign up? How do you get access to promote Surfer SEO? So without further ado, let's get right into it, and I will show you guys the step by step on how to get started and how to get going with Surfer SEO. Okay? All right, so first things first, we're going to go to Google. We're going to type in Surfer SEO affiliate. We're going to go to their affiliate page and we'll see what comes up. So here is their landing page. This is what you are greeted with. It'll say boost your bottom line while helping to reshape the internet. Look at their product lines. Look at what tools they have. Look at on their Learn tab. They'll teach you. Look at their blogs. Look at their official Surfer certificate, and then look at their SEO writing masterclass. This will talk about the company, their affiliate programs, and their pricing. So you're going to go down, you're going to look through this. Make sure to read this. This is kind of important because if you haven't used this particular program per se in the past, then you don't have a way of promoting it without knowing what's on the inside. So you're going to come down, you're going to read, register, promote, and earn. You're going to be greeted with this, and this will kind of give you a breakdown of, what you expected to sell and how much money you're supposed to make, right? You'll get 25% commission every time a new customer renews their subscription with us, right? So let's just say you had someone using your affiliate link to sign up for Surfer SEO, and that person from there will go on and get 25%. Right? So they get a discount, you get a discount. You get your 25% commission, and if they renew, you get another 25%, right? So here's a breakdown, right? For instance, February sales 1, sales value $100, $99. You get $25. That is your monthly income. Let's just say in March you get 3. That's how much it is. And that's how much commission you make, and your monthly income will be $69, right? Let's just say by June you sell 10, and now it's $930 sales value. You get $500. That's pretty sweet, right? You get 25% no matter what, if they sign up and if they renew their subscription, no matter who that person is. You read through it, you look through here, and you go on and click Apply Now. The reason I'm making this video today is because when I looked on YouTube to see how their Surfer SEO affiliate program works, I couldn't find any video on, hey, you come in, you apply, how long does it take, what is the affiliate member page interface looks like, if I have any questions, who do I go to, because they don't have anybody here. So you come to, and then you hit apply, you come to this page, it'll say surferseo.firstpromoter.com. So I've already signed up with them, and I have my login and login email and password. However, you're going to come in, put your email, put your first name, last name, and your website. You have to have a website for this. This is the key. For them to approve you, you have to have at least a website. Country, you're going to create a password. LinkedIn, I don't have a LinkedIn profile, so I did not put in a LinkedIn profile, but I'm pretty sure it's strongly suggested. I think they just want to look through your profile and see who you are, if you've done anything in the past. Like I said, I don't have a LinkedIn profile, and I didn't put mine in. You can agree to receive notification, and once you hit I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, a new page will pop up. This will basically explain the agreement between you and the Surfer SEO. You have to read this. You have to understand what it means. You have to understand your commission. Because I have found out that in the past, if you violate this agreement, they will either ban your account or they will just disqualify you. They won't. They don't care, no matter how much money you make. But if you get disqualified, your account gets locked, and I don't think anybody want to do that. But like I said, this will give you a breakdown, a monthly plan, an annual plan. How much they cost, how much you get. So on and so forth. This isn't too bad. It's only about 8 pages. Make sure you read it and agree to it. I did read it. I read all the way through it. I was like, okay, it makes sense. I like this. Not too bad. And then you can come back here. You're gonna say, all right, so sign up. So after you click sign up, you get an email. You in your Gmail or whichever email you provided, you will get an email. You confirm your email, and it took them roughly about 10 days to get back with me. It was a little bit less than, or probably more than 10 days until they got back with me, and then they approved my account. All right, so once they approve your account, you're gonna come in to the login page, you're gonna put in your email, you get your password, and you sign in. Now you're in. Like I said, this is a brand new account. I haven't done any promoting with this at all up to this point. And I just wanted to go through this and show you guys what the user interface looks like. What does your dashboard look like, basically? So it had 2 things for me to do before this. It had me update my address and my name and my contact information and my cell phone number. I already done that. I just haven't done the tax residency breakdown just yet, just because I wanted to go in and show you guys how this page looks like before I start promoting. So you're going to come in. If you live in the US, you're going to have to put in your W-9 form or the 6166, as you guys already know. And if you live in different countries, you have to follow the procedure. It's super simple. You go in, you click on it, it'll show you how it's done. Let's just click on 166, for instance. It'll take you to IRS website. You fill out a form, you put your social, first and last name, your address, and then you submit it. And then you select your W-9, you come in. If you have one, you select it. I haven't filled one out. I have one, but I just haven't uploaded it yet just because I wanted you guys to see. And we'll talk about you get 25% commission. All right, this is your dashboard. So after this, we're going to go to the next tab over. It says details. This is your performance details. It will tell you how much money you've made, what day, what month, how many clicks, how many signups, how many customers you have, and how much money you've made. Like I said, I haven't done anything with this, so mine is going to show all zeros. Next tab over is your referral. If your leads and customers, all free trial, paying, cancellation, it will all show up here, which is really nice. Rewards, again, it will show your rewards. Sub-affiliates, this is interesting because you can do deep linking with this and just promote a page out of their website or promote somebody else and use theirs. So here you go, name, join. I don't have anything. Like I said, payouts, this is your payout. And this is what I was talking about earlier. I used PayPal to get paid, but you have to keep in mind that the minimum payout is $250. You won't get paid if it's below that. And like I said, they have other options, but I choose to do PayPal just because, that's that. And then assets. This is an important link right here. This is your assets. This is where you go get access to everything they have, their logos, their deals, their screenshots, the communication basics, and all marketing assets. So let's start from the bottom one. So everything is on Google Drive. This is the nice thing about this is that everything is on Google Drive. Let's click on this link real quick. As you will see, they will bring you your communication basics, your email template. It will tell you exactly how to do. If you're into promoting via email, you're doing email marketing or anything in that nature, you click on this, it'll open it up, it'll tell you the basics of the communication. Make sure you read this. If you want to use this is 100% free. I would use it in the future if I need to go on and promote this. I'll come in, I'll give you a quick description. Surfer is a content intelligence tool that merges content strategy creation, optimization, blah, 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 blah. I'll use this. This is your long description. You can use this. This is free to use. This is your email template. I have used email templates in the past before, not exactly like this, but this will give you a nice template. You can read through this and promote via email marketing if that's what you choose to do. So next thing is your communication basics. Again, like I said, these are all on Google Drive, which is really nice. It will give you all the breakdowns. App screenshots, again, on Google Drive. You don't have to do anything extra. Your audit, your content creator, you come in, you click on it. It will give you everything that you need to have access to. Next one is logos, this is really nice. If you're promoting via Instagram or Pinterest or anywhere else, this will have all the logos, all the digital marketing. If you're into prints, it will give you all the breakdown. You want different colors, it's right here. It gives you the hex code, the RGB code, which is really nice. Here, let's click on cover photos for social media. You want to use it on Facebook? Boom. LinkedIn? Boom. Twitter? Boom. You want to use, I don't know, you want to use Pinterest? You come in, you use your digital logo pack, you download it. It gets downloaded here. Let's see what it looks like when it opens up. All right. Let's see. Okay. There it is. So it will give you a logo pack. You have white, black, you name it. You have it all right here. Just to double check. There you go. You have it all. All right. Now back to the website. Okay. So this is your assets. This is important. So that's it. There's your Black Friday details. Again, go out and promote this website. If you haven't used it already, please do. It's not terrible. I like it. I've used it in the past to create contents and stuff like that. But this was just a quick overview on how to sign up for to become an affiliate member of a Surfer SEO. Now, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.